Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's kitchen. Today we are making yummy Malai cake. This cake we are making without oven, without egg, without condensed milk. If you want to know how to prepare this yummy soft cake, then keep on watching. First, in a bowl I am taking oil. Today I am making cake without measuring cup and using only tablespoon. So I have taken around 5 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil which has no flavor and also taste. For this I am adding 5 tablespoon of curd. So the same quantity, 5 tablespoon of oil, 5 tablespoon of curd. For this mixture we will add sugar, powdered sugar, same 5 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix this mixture very well until it is well combined and sugar melts into the oil and curd, and you should attain a very creamy consistency. This will make your cake very fluffy and very soft. You can see the sugar has melted and we have attained a silky consistency. For this we will add 5 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour and 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. We will give it a very good mix so that the dry ingredients gets nicely incorporated, as you can see here. Once it is nicely mixed, we will add 5 tablespoon of milk. First we will add around 2 to 3 tablespoon of milk, and using a cut and fold method we will incorporate the milk into our batter very smoothly. Once it is incorporated, we will add remaining. Total I have used 5 tablespoon of milk here. So combine very nicely. This cake will be very soft and very spongy. Mix very well until it is well combined. And our cake batter is almost done. Finally we will add around 2 drops of vanilla essence and give it a good mix, and it is ready to bake. For baking we are not using any oven today, so for that I have taken a kadai and I am placing it plate, and I'll close the lid and preheat this for 10 minutes. Meanwhile I'll take a bowl and I'll grease with oil nicely. Just brush the oil all over and pour the cake batter what we have mixed, and we will bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. Just check after 30 minutes and increase like 35 minutes. After 35 minutes we will check the cake. Meanwhile we will prepare our rabdi or malai. For that in a kadai I have taken milk, and then for this I am adding 3 tablespoon of sugar. Don't add sugar too much because our cake also has sugar in it. So add just 3 tablespoon of sugar, give it a mix and let this come to the boil. Once it has come to the boil, we will add elaichi powder for flavoring. We need to reduce the milk around 10%. When it is becoming little thick, we will add khova around 1 tablespoon. This is a sweetless khova. Just add the khova, give it a mix until it melts into the milk. At this stage I am adding the kesar just for that color and flavoring. It is quite optional. Mix everything, boil this for 5 minutes until the khova is melted into our milk and it thickens little bit, and my malai is ready. Let this cool for 10 minutes. Meanwhile we'll check our cake. It's nicely baked now. You can see if I touch it is not sticky, and in the sides it's brown. So it's completely cooked now. We will dish it out. You can see it's very spongy. If I press, it's going down and coming back bouncy. It's very soft. So let this cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will take a fork and we will just pour the cake so that once we add our malai, it will nicely gets absorbed by the cake. Now I am adding the malai. Both my cake and malai is cool for 15 minutes. So add the malai. This milk will nicely absorb by the cake and it will be very soft. Finally we will garnish with some dry fruits. I am using raisins and also pista. You can use cashew and also chopped badam also. Refrigerate this for 15 minutes and serve this chill. It will taste yummy. Now I have refrigerated for 15 minutes. I'll just cut the cake now. You can see it is very soft and also it is very spongy. It will be taste yummy This is the best dessert you will be having in the kitty parties, and also kids will love this very much. Once you have cutted the nice piece, just take and we will serve in a cup. While serving, we will add more the rabdi on the top to make it more tastier. So I have taken in a cup and I am just adding more rabdi or malai what we just prepared, and our malai cake is ready. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen and like this video and also comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video.